Hey there and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change country or region on Samsung. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're moving to another country and want to access apps, content or payment option for that region, you can go to settings, then tap onto accounts and backup. Then you have to tap on manage accounts. Then you have to tap your Samsung account, then go and click onto your profile info. Then login if prompted. Then you have to tap onto the option called country or region. It will be shown like this: country, region. You just have to choose your new country. You might need to remove your payment method and add a new one from the country you are switching it. If you're trying to access apps available in another country, you can open the Google Store or Play Store, tap your profile picture at the top right corner, then you have to tap onto settings, general account and device preferences. Then under country and profiles, choose the new country. Follow the now on-screen steps to add a local payment method. Then change country in Samsung Galaxy Store. Like this is often changes automatically with your Samsung account region, but you may need to go to Galaxy Store, tap the menu settings, country and region, then change it if the option is available. If it's and it is not always shown, that keep it in mind. So that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.